i35equipment.com. Today we're checking out what's under the panels of a Diggit 72-inch low-flow skid steer mulcher attachment. On this side, you can see we've already taken the panel off with 2 bolts. System off the pump. Less exciting is on the other side. Got the panel off. But something to know is there is a greaser right there. Hope this video is beneficial to you. And as always, your full inventory of consignment heavy equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Hope this video is beneficial to you and that you have a wonderful day.